my mind is blown right now. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave. That way you'll never miss out on another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Goddess Provisions monthly subscription box. Now, as long as they send me this box every single month, I will be doing it for you guys. And what I like to do is sit here with a bottle of my favorite wine, or I will take shots of my Hamsa hand charged alcohol. And I like to do these. These are so fun. I like to unwind. I like to have myself a nice unwinding drink while I unbox these items. I'm really excited. I have not opened this yet, so I don't know what's in here. Before we get started, I do want to mention a few important points about Goddess Provisions. So you get a box every single month. Today's box looks like this. These boxes are $80 to $100 worth of products. They are full-size products. Usually, if you guys have been watching my past few unboxings, the products in the box exceed the cost of the box. Double, triple, quadruple, sometimes even more than that. So it's a very, very good deal for your money. They have everything from snacks to aromatherapy to crystals to spiritual tools to tea to apothecary beauty products. I mean, you name it. Spiritually, they have magical, majestic things that they bring to you every single month. Now, this is $33 a month, but if you get the 12-month plan, then it is a little bit lower, and this also ships worldwide, so that's a bonus. And for every single box that Goddess Provisions sells, they plant a tree. So this is a very good win-win box for yourself and for them, for the environment. So let's get to unboxing. I have here my Hamsa hand shot glass that my boyfriend got me for Christmas. Now I like this because I like to pour my shot in here, and then I like to have it charged with the energy of the Hamsa hand, which is protection, good fortune, cleansing, purification, health, wealth, prosperity, joy, abundance. Hamsa hand is unlimited good energy and good fortune. So I like to pour, and I am the type of person, I like to sip on my shots. Do you guys do that? Is that weird? Today what I have here is guava vodka. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys saw a post I did before Christmas that me and my boyfriend actually love flavoring our own vodka. So we will buy plain vodka, and we will buy mason jars, and then we will buy whatever flavor we want. In this case, it was guava. And then we will let it sit for maybe a month or two. And when it's done, and the guava candy, we usually buy guava candy, and then we let it just melt and dissolve into the alcohol. That is what I'm sipping on. I did have a few sips before I started the video. I was kind of cleaning my area, getting everything prepped for the video, and it just felt really good. Right off the bat, it seems like everything about this is dreams, lucid dreaming, astral projection, everything with the spiritual realm, the dream world. So the first thing that I see in the box is a Dream Big pillow. Something that I have been really contemplating and really thinking about is making dream pillows for my Etsy store for you guys. And this is going to be filled with oud oil, which is a powerful oil. It's going to be filled with herbs for divination, astral projection, lucid dreaming, protection while you sleep. Holy moly, you can smell this right off the bat. So of course there is very heavy lavender in here and mugwort. Okay, so lavender and mugwort are very, very powerful, very, very, very high vibration for dreams and the dream world, lucid dreaming, astral projection. Like asking yourself a question before you go to sleep, and then you sleep with this pillow underneath your bed, you're gonna get your answers from my experience. I just got chills just saying that. So this is actually really cute. I'm really interested because I know I'll have some dreams, I'll have some weird dreams. And the dreams are weird because they're very healing. They're dreams that heal you. Whenever I work with lavender and mugwort, especially mugwort, before I go to sleep, I will always, always, always heal something very profound in my life. And I've only done it twice. So I'm really excited for this. The next thing I see here is a eye mask, which this is really funny. If you guys have followed me on my YouTube communities, I posted that the first few times that I've started to use oud oil in my life again after a few years, and I've started to use it every single day now. And one of the first things that I actually manifested with oud oil is an eye mask. And I actually posted it on my YouTube communities post where I talk about how I manifested an eye mask. But this is very, very soft. Like, this makes me want to go to sleep right now. But for meditation purposes, I actually wanted to start using eye masks so that I can darken this area a lot more. I want to tap into being less afraid of the dark. I am terrified of the dark. So I want to go into meditation in a darker atmosphere. So this is really going to help me. We do have a crystal right here. Now this crystal is in the shape of a moon. This is beautiful, you guys. This looks like a clear quartz crystal. So it's very, very beautiful. I'm so excited to use it. Okay, the next thing I see here, oh, it's really pretty. It's a dream journal. In the last unboxing I did, I got a journal like this, but it was white and it was an intention journal where you wake up in the morning, you set an intention for the day, you go out throughout the day, and it just helps you keep track of what you did for yourself, what you did that was productive, all that stuff. It was a really, really good journal. I actually keep it at my bedside table, and me and my boyfriend both like to fill it out every once in a while. So this is a dream journal, which I think I really need because I've been getting messages from my oracle and tarot cards to pay close attention to my dreams. So I feel like the universe is actually sending me a message about my dreams. Okay, so it is a plain notebook. So what you basically do is as soon as you get up in the morning, open your book and just jot down everything you remember. Colors, words, names, numbers, songs, music, places, things, people, animals, whatever you remember, everything carries a symbol. So you do that, write it down in here, and later out throughout the day, just Google what those things mean. That's what I do. Nice things already so far in the box. I'm happy with it. For $33 a month, I feel like it already exceeded way beyond $33. Okay, the next thing I see here is Magic Hour Time for Infinity Ceremonial Tea Made with Love. This is a tea for lucid dreams. So there's Tulsi in here. Tulsi is very sacred. Some other things in this tea are turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, black pepper, cloves, coconut essence, cinnamon, essential oil. So this is a tea that you would use before you go to sleep. It would calm you down and get you ready for just channeling messages and divination through your dreams. So I'm excited for this. Each pouch makes 14 cups of tea. Packaging is really, really pretty. Do you guys see that black packaging with the psychic hands on it? It's super cute. So the last thing that comes in the box is this spray. It's an anti-stress and sleep magnesium oil spray, and it has aloe vera in it. It's called Nocturne. So let's see what this smells like. Okay, so the essential oils that are in here are lavender and sweet orange. It's very, very subtle. It does smell like oranges mixed with lavender. It's very pretty, very beautiful. And already I feel like if you guys see my energy, my shoulders dropped. I feel very calm and tranquil, blissful. That is the energies that this spray is bringing. It's very calming. So perfect to do before meditation, before divination, before reading your cards, before reading your horoscope, astrology sign. If you guys are going online to watch your tarot readings online by like me, Star Girl, Gem Goddess, Shanetta, there's so many others. But if you guys are going online to see your guys' readings, spray this into the air to absorb that energy even more. So yeah, those are the things that are in this month's box. I do want to read to you guys the prices. This is like the most exciting part for me. Okay, so the Dream Journal, $20. Remember, this box is $33 a month. If you get the 12-month plan, it is like $27 to $29 a month, something like that. The tea is $8.50. Now you get 14 cups of tea in $8.50. So that's a really good deal. The eye mask is $22, and this is actually gold ink infused with selenite crystal to aid in lucid dreams. Luna Nectar Nocturne Magnesium Spray is $16.50. Not a bad price at all for a spray that contains essential oils. Goddess Provisions Dream Pillow, $10. Not a bad price for you're getting the pillow, the material for the pillow. You get the symbols on the pillow, which is the moon symbol, and you also get the mugwort and the lavender inside the pillow. The Hammered Moon Quartz. So this is a crown chakra stone, and this is a clear quartz, and this is $4 in value. That's actually very, very cheap. That's not a bad deal at all. And then we have the sleep hypnotherapy work session in ASMR style, and you can download that and they give you the link. So actually, I'm really excited that they're starting to incorporate like digital media into this. So you get a free meditation, or you get whatever, a free course or whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go play around with all of these things. I'm gonna try the tea, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.